Today was it was a day. Alright babes, I'm back. Literally Kai had dropped his nuggets, or no, his fries on the floor. They were screaming and yelling, so
Not on the floor.
I had to put y'all away for a few. Yeah. But anyway, I'm on my way to my job real quick. And then I gotta go to the hair store. Today I washed Nye's hair. I had to do Diana's hair. She starts cheerleading camp next week.
She's a cheerleader.
That's exciting.
Diana's a cheerleader?
Yeah, she'll be cheerleading this year. In 9th grade. Yes. My baby is in high school now. Man will be a senior.
Buy the car.
Man will be a senior. This is his last year. And it's so exciting. Well, next year is his last year.
What if I get
and it's so exciting, y'all. Like, I can't believe, like, my oldest 3 are just, oh my gosh. Like, seriously. He'll be 18 next year. Jamira will be 19 in a couple of weeks. Her birthday is July 27th. She's a Leo. Yeah, it's crazy. When I say these years fly so much, like so quick, it's just like wow. And then Naya will be going to the 3rd grade. She's in the 3rd grade. Kai 2nd grade, and Legend will be in pre-K.
Lonnie be in 2nd.
No, Lonnie is going to school, but she won't be in the grade. She'll be in Head Start. Yes, even Jaylani, my granddaughter, she will be starting Head Start. So everybody will be in school. Thank you, God. Every time I had a child start in school, I was pregnant again. Literally. And you know what I'm saying? So shouts out to me.
When I had a kid,
I'm proud of me. What you say, Legend?
He said if he had a kid, he had a
Boy, you only 4. We don't need to talk about having no kid, nothing. But yeah, so I gotta go to the hair store today. But I just wanted to start this vlog off and let you guys know that I'm being consistent. Aren't you guys proud of me? Like, I really, literally, I've been on schedule. I uploaded a video yesterday, so then now I had to make sure that I edit so I can drop one tomorrow. So the days where I will be uploading a vlog is Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. And then in between, I'll be doing my shorts, my reels, and all that stuff. So, yes. I love it. Like, I know that I need a schedule. I need to really, that's why I brought me a calendar book. And I really been putting everything on there. I just got to learn how to get up in the morning and open it up so I can see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Because depending on this, so yeah, I just want to open you guys up. I'll pick you guys back up shortly. Alright, you guys, so it is 6 o'clock. Let me put y'all down a little bit. And I just did a TikTok try on haul for my new item that I got. I think I ordered it Friday. Yeah, so I was looking for some better shapewear, you guys, and I went on I went on TikTok University, and all the girls recommended this Shaper X from Amazon. They literally come with all kinds of shapewear. I got the tank top one. Actually, I'm wearing it right now. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is a tank top. I love it, y'all. It smooths me right out. Y'all know that I gained a lot of LBs. A lot. lot. So masking my stomach until I get it all down is important to me, okay? Get it on off, I should say. But yeah, so I love this. This is actually a thong. I got the thong one, tank top, and it's so soft, and like it don't feel like, you know how some of the shapewear makes you feel like you have shapewear on? Like this is literally, it feels so good against my skin. It don't feel bulky. I love it. Show the back. But yes, I got the thong one, and they have all colors. They have pink, they have, I think they have blue, I'm not for sure, but I know they got pink, and I think they got tan too. I'm gonna be getting me all colors because you can even wear this like this. And I also put it on with a dress. Chef's kiss, I'm telling you, it looks so good. So yes, I will leave the link down below. You definitely should go get you some shapewear, nice shapewear quality. And literally, I think it was like $37. It's not pricey at all. So yeah, I just wanted to pick you guys up to show y'all my shapewear. I gotta do a few more TikToks and a reel, and yeah, go get you some shape.
Right here, it's right there. Just Dance on YouTube. That's how I was gonna get it.
What's up, you guys?
What's up?
Happy 4th of July. It's currently 5:23. Go ahead, Nye. What you about to say?
What was I about to say? It is 2023 and it is the 4th of July. So y'all know what video we made it on, and y'all can see it on YouTube. So, yeah.
Okay, now.
Stop pushing me.
So I'm on my way to go get Legend. Put your seatbelts on, please. Because we're going to see the fireworks. It starts at 6:30, but I know like people be starting to come park and stuff by like 5:30ish to 6 o'clock. So by the time we get up there though, Lord, by the time we get up there it's gonna be like 6 something. It takes 45 minutes. And I'm hoping that Legend looks decent, so I won't have to go back to the house and change his clothes.
And I hope he's not going to cry about the fireworks, because he hates loud noises.
But yes, every year, well, last year we went to Easton. We went closer to home, but all the other years we went across the bridge, which is like 45 minutes. I don't know, I just like,
Ring the doorbell.
you know, that's where I always like to go. That's where we're going to be moving soon. So yeah.
You killed him.
But today, you guys, I didn't do much today. I did upload a video, so that will be dropping on the 5th. But of course, y'all have already seen that video. If you haven't, go watch the videos before this one. But it is hot. It's 90 degrees. Well, now it's 86. And I had to reset my air because my air wasn't working earlier. Like, it was so freaking hot in the house. Like my legs was sweating, everything was sweating. I sweat bad, y'all. Like I literally like my on my legs and stuff. If it's hot, like it literally be drenching water.
Her legs was water.
Yes, like that's how bad I sweat. Like you ladies that don't sweat like that, y'all are very lucky. But I sweat bad. My arms will sweat, everything. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I got some long chairs in the back too.
Oh,
I forgot.
Why you have those chairs?
Yeah, I brought those a couple years ago.
So we can do the camp.
So that's good. We can
For
sit
summer.
out. Can you go get Legend for me, baby?
Yeah.
Thank you. But yes, it's gonna be a nice vibe.
Chance of Bob. Mom.
Yes.
Well, when we go see the fireworks, is it gonna be next to a carnival?
No. Well, I think there's the carnival in Easton. But that's not where we're going. I don't really like going down here to see the fireworks and stuff.
Why?
Like, cause I don't want to be. I don't know. I like going across the bridge for some reason.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, baby. You ready to go see fireworks?
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Where you at, Kai?
Right here.
Oh.
In the seat.
So yeah, we can just go from here straight on across the bridge.
So.
Oh yay! Oh yay! Make way for 4th of July parade! God bless America! Happy birthday, USA!
so pretty.
Wow, there's still more.
They what?
It's stink.
Alright, so the
From that side.
parade is done, so we're about to get a cone of ice.
But also me and my
Hi, can I get 4 of the classics?
I have little ones too if you want the little kids.
I'll just take the
Okay. All right, figure that
it's
out.
hot.
Yeah.
I
Huh?
Who gets the first one?
want Meg.
Okay. You qualify.
Thank
You're little.
you. We're gonna put some flavor in a minute over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the tiger.
How about you watch your space? Two.
There you go.
How is that doing? And more colors. More colors.
You got it, buddy? I'm in there.
And more colors like ours.
That's it. That's it. Which one you want?
Hey, how are you?
Carrier, but I got 2 carriers, so I'll give you 8. You?
I'm right there.
I just want one color.
Right?
Okay, what
I like to keep it simple. All right, step back, Legend. You go ahead, eat yours. Back up, please. Thank you.
It's filled up.
I remember you.
You gotta drink it.
Nah, I think you forgot the tiger red.
You good?
Where? I see a jellyfish.
Where do you see a jellyfish at?
Over there. You see it? No. That's a leaf.
Apparently there'll be a lot of
No,
people
look, it's
just
blue.
parked, like anchored.
That's that.
I'm getting some crabs tomorrow.
Me too.
Yeah, we're gonna do some crabs tomorrow.
Yay. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? What? The ducks were quacking. Yeah, quack, quack, quack. They stopped. I really want to see an octopus in my... I really want to see an octopus. What octopus? I want to see one. See, everybody's getting a boat, so we should get a boat. I drive and y'all. You have to have a boat.
Don't stop talking now because the camera on you. What?
I drive and.
You gonna drive the boat?
Yeah.
Everybody, Legend gonna drive it. I mean, Kai gonna drive the boat.
Mom, you know if you want to drive a boat, you have to have a driving license. A boat driving license. No, you can just.
Correct.
No, Mom. You have. No, it's just like a car, so you just do the same thing as a car.
Oh, okay.
It's a car on water. So.
He's gonna catch this in his mouth. All right, all the way back. Good job. All right,
I want some.
hold on.
Yeah, I'd say New Year's or
Ready? Let's see. Ooh, good job, Legend.
My turn. Move, Legend. Please.
The things we do.
Dang, so much. Let me get some more.
Come on now, y'all gonna be eating all my
Give me a big
cone of ice. One more, Legend?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try to get it all this time. Oh, we got it all.
One more.
No, ain't no one more.
One more.
No, let's Kai. Let me enjoy it.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Alright, y'all, so we decided to come back to the truck. Fireworks is still going on. Kai's been holding his.
So we're leaving.
He's been holding, having to go to the bathroom for a minute, so he said, Mom, I had enough. So yeah, we're about to go get something to eat.
Well, we did
Wait,
kind of
did I park down here? No, I didn't park down here. No, we parked on the other one. Come on, y'all. We better get something to eat and head on home.
But that lady lost her mind, though.
Tell them what the lady did.
She had Legend to move out the way
Yeah.
and pushed him.
No, she didn't push him. We're not gonna say that because the outcome would have been a little bad. Did y'all have? Did y'all have fun?
She did lost her mind, though.
Yeah, you had fun.
She did lose her mind, though. The fireworks is still done.
Yeah, the fireworks are still going, but y'all gotta use the bathroom.
Yeah.
Uh oh, there we go. Let's get a little picture.
I'm dead.
Pay attention to school. Alright, come on. And that's it. So we left at the perfect time. Alright, you guys. So I'll pick you guys up when we get something to eat. Because I'm hungry, literally. Stomach is touching my back. Come on, y'all. Get out that road. Alright, you guys. So we are back home. It's currently 10:58. The kids had some McDonald's. I didn't want no McDonald's, so I just ordered me, I don't know, for some reason I had a taste for some cheese pizza. And I normally don't have a taste for pizza, but I wanted some pizza. So I got it. Like, literally. Listen, y'all. I ain't even gonna be mad. I'm not even gonna be hard on myself because after my birthday, it's a wrap for everything. Seriously. So we gonna, you know what I'm saying, get what I want to get this week because it's my birthday week. I don't know, y'all, but today it feels, I don't know, it just feels like a Sunday to me, like, or Saturday or a Sunday. It don't feel like it's a Tuesday. Yeah. And they're as you hear, they're gonna be doing fireworks all night. So, but yeah, I'm about to go pick up my pizza in about 10-15 minutes. Today was it was a day. I wish I could share. I really wish I could share with you guys all that went on earlier today, but I can't. But I'm just gonna say that I really need prayer. You know, I definitely been praying and just trying to just move forward and not dwell in it, you know what I'm saying? But I really wish I could share with you guys, but some things I just need to keep to myself, you know what I'm saying? And I don't mind sharing some things with y'all, but just pray for me. Just pray for me. But I looked like on the way home and I seen it was a full moon. So, and every time it's a full moon, for some reason, things get a little hectic. Things get a little spicy. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Especially my ear here.
I just ordered a small pizza because I wanted some pizza.
Yay!
Yeah, he just had, that boy can eat. He literally just had a 10-piece nugget. He graduated from Happy Meals to a full-grown person meal. And now he hollering about yay because I ordered pizza. You hear the fireworks?
Yeah.
Body, crib, got it, job, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in